So I'm in my backyard right now, and I have some issues where it's not wanting to grow grass very well. Of course, the soil does have a lot of rock content, as we've discussed before, but I think there may be another issue. The weeds seem to be thriving, but the grass is not growing very well. And I'm actually starting to notice these pockets of loose dirt. About a year ago, I put this topsoil down, planted some grass right here. There's still some baby grass that still exists, but overall, most of it has died already. I'm going to move on down there. We're next to a concrete slab. And here's some more, just a bunch of loose dirt. And as we move down here, there's actually a couple holes. There's one there. There's another one right there. Not very big. Going out into the yard a few more feet, here's another spot. Now this is some type of grass, but really easy to pull up the grass. The roots are not very strong. Again, there's that loose dirt. Like here's another example. Just a bunch of dirt. Look at that. Just a bunch of loose soil. And I can just pull that right out of the ground. Oh man, look at that. Just a huge mound of loose dirt. And I bet if I were to try to pull this grass back, I could probably pull it back with no issues at all. So I got a feeling I know what the culprit is. It's either moles or grubs, or a combination of both. And my guess is it's a combination of both, because grubs are the food source for the moles. So I got a product to hopefully eliminate the insect problem. And if I can eliminate this insect problem, hopefully it'll make the moles go somewhere else. Okay, so it's been about 5 days and I'm in the exact same spot that I did my first video. And we did have about an inch of rain. So what I did was I bought two 20-pound bags of a product called B-Gon. I spread one bag in the backyard, one bag in the front lawn. And so now we're going to see the results. I came out here this cool November morning, and I can't believe how many grubs are in my backyard. And I did not know that, but look at this. They're everywhere. There's some there. I mean, I can't believe it. And I'm not even going to get off my concrete pad. But inevitably, you know, this stuff works pretty good. I just cannot believe how many grubs were in my soil. And again, I'm not walking around my whole backyard. I'm just right here next to the concrete pad. But that must have been the culprit. Had to have been if there's this many. So, in review, does the product work? Yes. Yeah, the product worked pretty good. So I guess what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get some grass seed. I'm going to spread some grass seed, and I know it's we're approaching winter, but I'm going to do probably a mixture of ryegrass and maybe some other type of tall fescue. I'm going to see how it holds up.